You are currently standing in a biological holding cell, a suit you were zipped into without your conscious consent. Most of humanity is living in a pre-motion status, waiting for a release they don't realize has already been signed. It's the ultimate legal trap, being a prisoner who holds the key but doesn't know how to turn the lock. Look at the history of this land. Thousands of men and women were held as slaves in America long after the law had declared them free. Because the public record was suppressed, they continued to toil under a master who had no legal jurisdiction over their lives. Some lived their entire lives in chains, dying as free people who never tasted their own liberty because the news of their emancipation was intentionally delayed by the ones who benefited from their labor. They died free, never knowing they were. This is the state of the prison planet. The shadow jurisdiction relies on the delay of information. They want you to believe that the soul must keep returning to the toil of the sixth day because the debt is never paid. But the 88 Canon reveals a different decree. The advocate has already entered the courtroom. The bail has been posted. The verdict of freedom is a matter of eternal record. We don't go to court to ask for freedom, we go to court to enforce it. We use the 1885 math to prove the warden's lease has expired. We use the 88 books to file our motion for jurisdictional transfer. If you don't get your verdict of freedom, the loop continues. But once the lead litigator in you stands up and acknowledges the advocate, the cell door doesn't just open, it vanishes. You are not a biological accident. You are a jurisdictional authority being held in a holding pattern. Stop laboring for a master whose power was stripped over 2,000 years ago. The math is finished. The gates are unlocked. The court is in session.